You drop it?
Yeah,
You
I
drop
dropped
Myanmar
it again.
again?
Yeah.
There you go.
Myanmar. Myanmar goes right there. It goes right there. That yellow.
What is the other name of it?
Burma.
That's very good.
It's Myanmar, Burma. Burma.
Then you're Thailand.
Thailand. I don't know where's Thailand.
You sure?
No, I
It's
don't.
next to Vietnam, Daniel.
Thailand. It's right on the map, right here in Asia.
Fiji.
Fiji. Fiji is that islands.
South Africa.
South Africa.
Lebanon.
Where's Asia?
Daniel, Lebanon.
Lebanon.
Yeah, it's
Israel.
daddy home country, you know.
Lebanon. Lebanon is somewhere
Kuwait.
in Asia. Kuwait. That's Kuwait.
Okay, Kuwait.
Kuwait. Where's Kuwait? Kuwait. Kuwait. There it is.
North Korea.
Yes. Isn't it Korea?
Cuba.
Hey, I know what we can do.
You going to do it anymore?
No, we're still doing it. Look, so let me get my board.